Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel, where we explore the untold stories and shed light on important issues. Today, we delve into the world of wildlife conservation, revealing the dark truth that often goes unnoticed. From corrupt practices to ethical dilemmas, join us as we uncover the hidden realities of the noble pursuit of preserving our planet's precious wildlife. Wildlife conservation is often portrayed as a noble and heroic effort to protect endangered species and their habitats. It has become a glamorous cause, capturing the hearts of many. However, behind the glossy facade lies a complex web of challenges that demand our attention. Corruption and illegal trade. One of the dark aspects of wildlife conservation is the presence of corruption and illegal trade. Poaching, smuggling, and the black market industry thrive despite efforts to combat them. In some cases, even those entrusted with protecting wildlife are involved. Illegal wildlife trade is a multi-billion-dollar industry, fueled by the demand for exotic pets, traditional medicines, and animal parts. It is disheartening to witness how some individuals exploit these creatures for personal gain, pushing many species closer to extinction. The human-wildlife conflict. The conflict between humans and wildlife poses another grim reality. As human populations expand and encroach upon natural habitats, the inevitable clash between human needs and the preservation of wildlife intensifies. Rapid urbanization and habitat destruction disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems. This forces wildlife to venture into human settlements in search of food and shelter, leading to conflicts that result in the loss of lives on both sides. Conservation tourism. Conservation tourism, a popular trend, has its own set of dark truths. While it provides financial support for conservation efforts, it can sometimes exploit animals for entertainment, compromising their welfare. The line between responsible conservation tourism and animal exploitation is often blurred. Animals are sometimes taken out of their natural habitats, subjected to unnatural conditions, and made to perform for the entertainment of tourists. This practice raises serious ethical concerns. The complex ethical dilemmas. Wildlife conservation presents us with complex ethical dilemmas that require careful consideration. Choices made in the name of preservation may inadvertently lead to unintended consequences. Conservation decisions can involve difficult choices, such as culling overpopulated species to preserve the ecosystem's balance, or relocating animals from their natural habitats to ensure their survival. These decisions often divide conservationists and spark heated debates. Amidst the dark truths surrounding wildlife conservation, it is crucial to recognize that it is still important to take care of our wildlife. Our planet's biodiversity and ecological balance depend on the preservation of wildlife. Let's take a moment to understand why wildlife conservation is truly indispensable. Wildlife plays a fundamental role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Each species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, contributes to the intricate web of life. They play crucial roles as pollinators, seed dispersers, and predators, ensuring the balance of nature's intricate tapestry. Furthermore, wildlife provides invaluable ecosystem services, such as purifying our air and water, regulating climate, and enhancing soil fertility. Protecting their habitats means safeguarding these essential services that support human well-being. Conservation for future generations. Wildlife conservation is not solely about the present, but also about securing a sustainable future for generations to come. By protecting endangered species, we ensure the survival of our planet's natural heritage and the legacy we leave for our children. Every species has its unique genetic code, representing millions of years of evolution. The loss of even a single species diminishes our collective biodiversity and deprives future generations of the opportunity to learn from and be inspired by nature's wonders. When we engage children in wildlife conservation, we instill in them a sense of responsibility, empathy, and stewardship towards the environment. By fostering their connection with nature, we empower them to become the guardians of our planet. The economic value of wildlife. In addition to the intrinsic value of wildlife, it is essential to recognize the economic benefits it brings. Wildlife tourism, when responsibly managed, can provide sustainable livelihoods for local communities, contributing to poverty alleviation and economic growth. Many regions rely on wildlife-based tourism as a significant source of revenue. Safeguarding habitats and protecting wildlife ensures the longevity of these industries, benefiting local economies and supporting conservation efforts in the long run. By investing in wildlife conservation, we create a win-win situation where the protection of nature goes hand in hand with economic prosperity and sustainable development. Despite the dark truths, there is hope. By acknowledging these challenges and working collectively, we can strive for a more effective and ethical approach to wildlife conservation. Transparency, stronger legislation, and collaboration among governments, conservation organizations, and local communities are crucial to addressing the dark truths of wildlife conservation. We must prioritize education and sustainable development, empowering communities to become active participants in conservation efforts. Finally, we must recognize that no single individual or organization can tackle the challenges of wildlife conservation alone. It requires a united effort, where governments, conservation organizations, local communities, and individuals come together with a shared vision. The power of collective action cannot be underestimated. By joining forces, we can advocate for stronger legislation, enforce stricter regulations against poaching and illegal trade, and work towards sustainable land use practices that prioritize the protection of wildlife habitats. Together, we can make a difference and ensure a future where wildlife thrives, ecosystems flourish, and our planet remains abundant with life. As we conclude this eye-opening journey into the dark truth of wildlife conservation, let us remember that awareness is the first step towards positive change. By recognizing the complexities, exposing corruption, and fostering a deeper understanding of the challenges faced, we can work together to ensure a brighter future for both humans and the incredible wildlife that shares our planet. Thank you for joining us today on this thought-provoking exploration. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Together, we can make a difference and create a world where wildlife conservation truly thrives. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.